ISO 17020 is the international standard that specifies the requirements for organizations that perform inspections and for the impartiality and consistency of their inspection activities. These inspections can be for materials, products, installations, processes, or services. There are multiple advantages to being accredited to ISO 17020. First, it demonstrates to your stakeholders and customers that you are verified, unbiased, and consistent with your inspection capabilities. This means the acceptance and recognition of your inspection reports increases domestically and across borders. Second, having your ISO 17020 certification can provide a competitive edge over other organizations that offer inspection services but are not accredited to this ISO standard. As an accredited inspection body, you increase your customers' confidence and trust in your services against others in the global market. Third, attaining your accredited certification helps improve your internal productivity and effectiveness of your inspection services. Accreditation to ISO 17020 results in better analysis of data, increased confidence in data, better record keeping, better equipment maintenance, and more. Therefore, this will help increase employee motivation levels, cooperation amongst coworkers, and awareness of quality increases across the board. ISOP Solutions is the right partner for your ISO 17020 needs because of our experience, technology, flexibility, and commitment to customer service. We simplify the implementation process by using our NIST 800-171 compliant, GDPR compliant, and ISO 27001 certified cloud-based platform, facilitate education and acquiring CEU credits through our online LMS, offer flexible financing options to meet the needs of any organization, and be the partner that's with you every step of the way. If you're looking to get started on your ISO 17020 certification process or are in the market for a better implementation partner, reach out to us to speak with one of our ISO experts today.